let me give you a different perspective. Have you ever solved someone else's business problem in 5 minutes? Your friend explained an issue, and immediately you think, why don't you just do this? It look obvious, right? Simple, clear. But now think about your own business. The same clarity disappears. Why? Your intelligence is not reduced. When you are answering that friend's question, you are still answering it from the same thought process. But for your own business, you are not able to find it. Why? Because something else happens when it is your own business. You don't just see facts, you see years of effort. You see your failures, past failures, customer promises, team emotion, your family pressure, money already invested. Everything gets mixed together. And slowly, it is no longer just a business, it is your story you are carrying, right? That's why I find something very interesting. The closer we are to a problem, the harder it becomes to question our own thinking because we are inside the system. Think about it. If you have believed for 3 years, my biggest challenge is sales. Every new observation, every new experience, every new discussion, start getting, that from that perspective, from that belief that sales is a problem, right? Even if the business is trying to tell you something completely different, this is where your take the hand becomes quietly dangerous. In this situation, if you implement something and talk about wait and watch, it is going to become dangerous because you're not waiting for reality to change. You're waiting for reality to confirm what you already believe, right? There is a difference, a very big difference in that. So here is the question I want you to think about it. If some expert looked at your business today with no history, no emotion, no attachment to your business, would they define your biggest challenge the same way you do? Think about it. Or would they start from a completely different question? Don't answer it now, just sit with it after this session. Think about this. Because sometimes the biggest breakthrough in a business does not happen from, when someone gives you a better answer. It happens when someone help you see that you have been asking the wrong question all along. Every founder live inside the business they built, which also means they are the last person to notice the thinking they have built, right? Realizing the fact that my success itself may be preventing me from seeing the next stage. Past success are becoming today's constraint. Think about it.